This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The following procedure applies to models equipped with halogen headlight bulbs and does not apply to models equipped with xenon bulbs. Whenever a bulb is renewed, note the following points. Disconnect the battery negative lead, or at least make sure that the lighting circuit is switched off before starting work. Remember that if the light has recently been in use, the bulb may be extremely hot. Always check the bulb contacts and or the holder as applicable. Ensure that there is clean metal-to-metal contact between the bulb contacts and the contacts in the holder and or the holder and the wiring plug. Clean off any corrosion or dirt before fitting a new bulb. Ensure that the new bulb is of the correct rating and that it is completely clean before fitting. The headlight lenses are plastic and may melt if the correct bulbs are not fitted. Pull the bonnet release latch located on the passenger side kick panel and lift the bonnet safety latch and raise the bonnet upwards. Remove the battery cover by releasing the side retaining clips. Warning: the negative battery connections are close to exposed battery positive connections. Use extreme caution to avoid the spanner from shorting on the positive cable whilst loosening the nut. We recommend covering the exposed positive connections with a suitable insulation material such as a plastic bag or electrical tape. Loosen the negative battery cable nut, then slacken and remove the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the negative cable out of the way to avoid accidental reconnection. Pull up the locking peg and remove the two mounting bolts. The locking peg doubles up as a spanner to remove the bolts. Slide the headlight forward to access the bulbs. Remove the relevant round cover from the back of the lights unit. The inner rubber cover is for the main beam bulb, with the outer plastic one for the dipped beam. Release the spring clips and remove the cover from the dipped beam bulb, or pull off the rubber cover from the main beam bulb. Bulb removal itself is the same for either bulb. Disconnect the wiring plug from the bulb, then unhook the wire retaining clip. Fold it down and withdraw the bulb. Caution: when handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with the fingers. Moisture and grease from the skin can cause blackening and rapid failure of this type of bulb. Fit the new bulb into the headlight housing and take note of where the alignment knots should line up in the housing. Secure the bulb by attaching the wire retaining clip, hooking the top ends into the bracket. Connect the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb. Refit the bulb access cover and secure it with the spring clips. Maneuver the headlight back into its mounting. Then refit the two bolts. Tighten the mounting bolts securely with the provided locking peg spanner. Slide the locking peg securely into the slot from which it was removed. Connect the negative cable and tighten the nut securely. Refit the battery cover.